Designing to make a difference. That's the goal of Ohio University's Department of Mechanical Engineering. In fact, the department has an entire program dedicated to addressing the needs of the community. Here to talk about it now is the department's chair. Greg Kremer, thanks for joining us tonight.
Happy to be here.
So let's talk a little bit about this program. It's called Designing to Make a Difference. Could you tell me a little bit about it?
Sure. We have about 50 seniors each year who have to do a capstone design project where they bring together all the skills and lessons they've learned. And the Designing to Make a Difference says, why not work on a project that makes a real difference in the community? We have lots of needs in our local community, in the regional community, and even internationally. So we pair students with about teams of 5 or 6 students with an individual who has maybe a physical disability, a small business that has a need but doesn't have the technical skills to meet that need, or international communities that have basic developmental needs like clean water. And for a year, the students work along with that partner, that customer, to try to solve their problem. And by the end of the year, they deliver a working prototype. And we've been very successful in helping these customers with real solutions to their problems.
So what are some specific projects that some of your seniors have been working on?
So a good pair between our students and the community has been in the area of individuals with disabilities. So a lot of assistive technologies just don't exist for special cases. This year we had one young person who wanted to play wheelchair basketball, but she was unable to because she has cerebral palsy and could only use one side of her body. The only way she could really propel the wheelchair was with one foot, and wheelchairs aren't built for people with one operating foot. So this team came up with a way for that individual to participate in wheelchair basketball.
That sounds like a great project that they were working on. Now I understand you do these things to be cost effective if possible.
So yeah. We try to help that one individual, but it's really important that these solutions not only help them, but could be used by many other people. And the key to that is to make them very low cost so that someone else will want to build them and potentially market them to others so that the solutions can help other people as well.
Now you started this program yourself, correct?
Yes, back in 2008, we always had a capstone design project, but it was often done for like a fun competition, which is fine for a learning experience, but it doesn't really help anyone at the end. And at the end of a year, we would have a system that just had to be sold on eBay or scrapped for parts. But we said, how can we use the creativity and the energy and the skills of the students not only to have an intellectual experience that they need to have for learning, but to actually make a difference in the community? And so that's what we did in 2008. Yes.
So just briefly, what is maybe the biggest success you think that's come out of this program?
So we have a partnership with SW Resources in Parkersburg, and they employ individuals with disabilities, but they need help in expanding some of their jobs to allow more people to participate. And so we've had many projects with them, and we've been recognized nationally with 2 first place and 1 third place and an honorable mention in a national design award, showing that our students really made a difference for this company.
It sounds pretty impressive and definitely something to be proud of. Mr. Kremer, thanks for joining us tonight.
You're welcome. Thank you.